Wow, this is such a big epic Chungus moment, am I right? Ha ha ha.
What the dog doing?
Nope. Ooh, give me that armor, baby! Yeah, put that on, baby. Come here. Oh, you trying to juke? Oh, yeah. Okay, let there be love. Alright, making chairs.
Hey, yo, man, come on and sit over here.
Dot.
What the dog?
Dude, I just realized my mic wasn't on. Great. Alright, I'm out of here. Okay. That's a zombie. What we got here? And there's a demon eye. Great. Frick.
No! Leave me alone! Stop it!
Yeah, you can't get me in the water, baby. Frick off. Yeah. Oh, the zombies can go in the water. I didn't know that. Okay, you can live, please. Please. I want to live. Oh, God. Oh, you're so... Oh, no. Back off. Are you kidding me? Now I gotta go get my stuff back. That's very poggers. It's so... Alright, I found some stuff down here. I see... Don't think I don't see you, bro. Get away. Bruh. Dude, it escalated to so many zombies. Dude. Are you... Okay, dude. Bruh, leave me alone. I just want to live. Alright, dude. Give me that. That is mine now. Bruh. Are you kidding me? Dude. Why do they have so much damage? Dude. I don't understand.
Leave me alone! I just want to live!
Dude. It's gonna happen again. That's the part where I panicked. I just want to live. Give me my money back. Okay.
Come on, let me speed bridge. Let me speed build. Come on, let me speed platform.
Yeah, get out of here. You thought, holy crap. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. Ah! I'm dead. I'm so dead. Good night. I think this is the time to question my sanity. What's wrong with Among Us? I'm not gonna lie, I got a nice place going here. It looks very chill. I might expand it a little bit in this episode. I don't know, whatever. I'm still mad. I need to get that stuff back. But before we do that, we need some mana, star thingy, blue star thingy. Yeah, give me. I don't know. Why did I turn that off? Dude, why did you do that to me? Revenge! Revenge! Anyways, back to my mining session. Where was I? Oh yeah. I wonder if Juan is home. Juan! I keep forgetting to turn my fucking mic on. I literally hate myself. I keep doing that. Well, I'm gonna make this furnace. Give me that. Thank you. Place that. Now. I finally can give me some iron. I see that slime, so I'm gonna kill it now.
Good night.
Is that more iron? Yeah, it is. Let's go. Once I find more iron, then I can make like more tools and stuff. I've played this game a lot, but I never really beat it or did any bosses. Just mining. Okay. I don't care about the copper anymore, dude. I got iron. That's all that matters. Hey now, you wanna go? Oh yeah, they wanna go. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Yeah, come on. Come here. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, I came over here to get the rest of this. Alright, heading back. Okay. These slimes are in my... Whoa, dude. Vulture moment. Vulture. Wait, how did... Usually... Oh, no. Alright. I'm gonna lose a life if that keeps happening. I forgot that dude's name. Why are you going after me still? He's the one shooting you. Dude. What? Come on now. Your mom gay. And so are you. Look at you. I forgot what those stone bird thingies were called. Alright. I need an anvil. Thank you. My anvil. Thank you. No pop filter. I have decided to build walls. I just took that dude down in one shot. Holy crap. Pokers. And I misplaced that. I'm gonna redo the bottom part next to the door, and then I'm just gonna break this and show you guys what I mean. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I was trying to make a staircase. Okay, we got all that down. Okay, just gonna place down the furniture so we can actually like craft stuff, and put this anvil down. Okay, I'm kind of gonna end this video because I got a lot of other videos to work on. Well, I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, but it's a surprise. It's gonna be pretty fun. Well, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.